This is incredible. I no longer have a single Colorado potato beetle in my garden. As the days get warmer, pests like Colorado beetles, aphids, caterpillars, and slugs become more active. These invaders can quickly destroy your plants and threaten your harvest. That's why in this video we show you how to make a completely natural insecticide using simple ingredients you already have at home. No harmful chemicals, yet very effective. Be sure to watch the video until the end to learn how to protect your plants naturally. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's completely free, and we bring you new tips every day. Thank you. In half a liter of warm water, add 1 or more tablespoons of garlic powder. Garlic works as a powerful natural repellent because it contains sulfur compounds and allicin, which produce a strong odor that pests hate, in addition to repelling them. Garlic also helps protect plants from diseases transmitted by insects. Next, add a tablespoon of ground hot pepper. The active ingredient, capsaicin, is known for repelling Colorado beetles, aphids, and other garden pests. If you don't have hot pepper, you can also use chili or regular black pepper. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of edible oil, such as sunflower oil or any other you have. The oil helps the mixture stick to the leaves and to the bodies of pests, making the spray more effective. Mix everything well and let it sit for at least 24 hours so the ingredients can fully release into the water. Strain through a fine cloth and dilute with about 3 liters of water, depending on how many ingredients you used. Spray your plants every 2 to 3 days until the pest population is under control. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our next video. See you